Hi everyone! Recently, Ford shocked the world, revealed the first official teaser of the new electric mid-size crossover, which will be revealed in full in 2023. This is marked by Ford's decision to announce plans to retire the Ford Fiesta in 2023, while the larger Focus will be discontinued in 2025. In this video, we also try to render it based on the official teaser. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Ford of Europe announced that it will produce 9 electric vehicles by 2024, 4 of which are passenger electric batteries and 5 commercial electric batteries. Whether this electric crossover will replace the Ford Fiesta and Ford Focus, if we look at sales of around 82,000 units of the Ford Fiesta sold in Europe last year, down from around 156,000 units in 2020. Maybe the reason is, most people choose to use electric vehicles rather than fuel. Let's take a look at the official teaser for the Ford medium-size crossover, which is planned to replace the Ford Fiesta or Focus in 2023. Additional information: Ford and Volkswagen Group use the 𝗍𝗶𝘀𝗶𝘁 platform for electric cars, which will form the basis of these two models. Thank you for watching.